In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add income on Freshbooks. Whether you're freelancing, running a small business, or just need to keep track of various income streams, Freshbooks is a powerful tool to make your accounting tasks simpler. Adding income correctly ensures that your financial reports are accurate, which is vital for understanding your business's financial health. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you want to start by heading over to the Freshbooks website. It's important to use the web version for this process to ensure you have access to all necessary features. Once you're on the site, the next step is crucial for accessing your account, clicking on the Login button. This takes you to the sign-in page where you can enter your credentials. For those who prefer convenience and an added layer of security, Freshbooks offers the option to sign in with your Google account. This feature is not only a time saver, but also allows for a streamlined process of managing your account credentials. Simply click on Sign in with Google, choose the Google account you wish to use, and proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, your Freshbooks dashboard will greet you. This is where all your financial tracking begins. Navigate to the Payments section, an essential part of managing your income and expenses. As we're focusing on income outside of standard invoices, your next step is to locate the Other Income tab. Here, Freshbooks categorizes income that doesn't necessarily come from direct client payments or invoices. Think referral bonuses, interest income, or even an unexpected reimbursement. In the Other Income area, you're greeted with the option to add new entries via a plus icon symbolizing Add. This user-friendly feature simplifies the process of inputting diverse sources of income. Click on this icon to begin adding your new income. Details matter when it comes to accounting, so the next step is specifying your income source. Whether it's a one-time payment, recurring revenue from a side gig, or something else, properly naming your income source keeps your records impeccable and easy to navigate. Next, let's talk taxes, a topic no one can afford to ignore. Freshbooks allows you to specify if your income is taxable and at what rate. Accurately entering tax information here ensures that your financial reports are ready come tax season, sparing you from various potential headaches and discrepancies. Now, onto an essential figure, the grand total of your income. This is where you enter the amount you've received. Inputting this accurately ensures that your financial overview reflects your true earnings, aiding in a better financial planning and decision making. To finalize your input, look for the check icon next to the grand total field. Clicking this symbol saves the income details to your Freshbooks account, seamlessly updating your financial records. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Always double check the numbers you enter for accuracy. Also, consider regular updates to your other income entries. This practice ensures your financial records are always current, giving you a real-time snapshot of your financial health. And remember, Freshbooks also allows you to edit or delete entries if you ever need to correct or update your income information. By following these steps, you're not just adding numbers to a system, you're building a robust financial record that supports smarter business decisions. Whether you're looking to expand, save, or simply keep a closer eye on your financial inflow, knowing how to efficiently add and manage your income on Freshbooks is a skill that pays off. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add income on Freshbooks, making you one step closer to mastering this powerful financial tool. Keeping your income records accurately and meticulously can transform the way you manage your finances, providing clarity, insight, and direction for your business or personal projects. Remember, a strong grasp of your finances paves the way for informed decisions and, ultimately, business growth. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with your questions or for more tips on making the most of Freshbooks.